up? What up? What up? You know who it is, man. It's your boy, ROBMASON, Rob Mason, aka Moon Rock Mason, Trees Company affiliate. You now tuned into the channel, man. G2L Customs Cleaning and Restorations. Also, G2L Kicks. Today, got a cool restoration video for y'all. So I'm gonna pair of these Baron 9s right here. Size 12. It's a customers that needs these brought back to life. As you can see, man, this mug is just the soul. He was cutting grass in this. So, you know, I like the Baron. I like 9s. And when he gave me this, he asked me, could I bring this back to life? I told him I could. As you can see, the soles are very dirty. White, needs to be whitened that back up. It's gonna need definitely a deep cleaning. It's gonna need possibly some sole repaint of the black. The soles are very dirty, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get this back white. With my indoor method, I knows no more. I used to when I first started, but now I can bring these back to life. So we're gonna whiten up the soles, and that's pretty much it, man. It's pretty a simple restoration on this one. Nothing real crazy or anything I'm gonna have to do, but we're gonna get this shoe looking new. All right. So, man, before I forget, smash the like button. Leave me a comment what you think of this final shoe gonna look like. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what you think. Tell me if you thought that I really brought this back to life. And don't forget to share this video, man. Feel free to follow me on my Instagram, G2L Customs. And that's about it, man. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this shoe back new. All right.